Hi guys, this is Hadi Atai. I'm back with another video. We are going to talk about ML projects that employers want to see. So, what ML projects actually get you interviews and jobs? The things that you don't want to do is just follow cookie cutter tutorials, put it on your portfolio or GitHub, and expect job offer. It is not going to happen. If you want to compete with top talent, it requires some originality and creativity. Employers look for real-world problem solving. So what sets you apart as a candidate? First of all, obviously, you go beyond tutorials. Some of the things you can do is re-implement research paper, and I'll talk about that in a few seconds and how that sets you apart from other candidates. Or the other way is to solve personal, meaningful problems that you care about. Both of these demonstrate both technical and creative skills. Re-implementing a research paper, as I said, is one way to approach this. Machine learning papers are basically concentrated expert knowledge. As a result, recreating them teaches you, first of all, the math behind advanced models, because all these ML papers are using advanced models, and there is some math and theory behind them. It also teaches you how to implement an algorithm, a model from scratch. It also teaches you creative problem solving. It is a difficult process, therefore a few candidates do this. But as a result, it differentiates you instantly from other candidates. So it's a very effective way to get hired. If you want to re-implement a research paper, there are 5 steps you can take. You should read deeply and understand the paper's goal. Make sure you understand what is happening, what is the goal of the paper. Number 2, the paper is trying to fill the knowledge gap in math and theory. Understand that. What is the knowledge gap that the paper is trying to address? Once you do that, you try to understand and sketch the model architecture with clear inputs and outputs. Then you simply build a simple prototype. Once you do that, you optimize that prototype and try to replicate results with the given inputs. And you then repeat this process of optimizing it until you reach the desired level of optimization. Some of the recommended papers that you can try is Attention is All You Need, number 1. Number 2 is An Image is Worth 16 by 16 Words. Language Models Are Few-Shot Learners. LoRa, Low-Rank Adaptation of LLMs. So these are very important papers. You can find them in archive. Also, you can always check the Hugging Face training papers. And also check ML papers of the week, the one that come out every week. The fact that attention is all you need have been done by so many machine learning engineers, it doesn't matter. The fact that you start from big scratch and build that model teaches you so many lessons that you can brag about in your interviews. The other approach is solving your own problem. First of all, avoid copying popular projects. What you want to do is build something personal and motivating, something you're passionate about. Interviewers value genuine passion and creativity. An example would be Fantasy Football Optimizer. Candidate built algorithm to optimize team selection. This is one way to do this. You can also do this. But what you want to do is incorporate research ideas and optimization logics when you build your own optimizer. If it is directly relevant to your job domain, you will instantly be hired. So it's a very effective way and very good projects to work on. For project ideation framework, there are 4 steps I want to talk about. First of all, List your 5 personal interests. For each one, write 5 questions for the 25 total questions, and then brainstorm ML applications to answer them. And then pick one question that excites and challenges you, and start working on that one question. Try to solve it. Employers will see your passion and that you care about, and then you're able to solve a real world problem. This is what employers want to see. Then you want to, when you do either way, either you go with the research paper or your own personal idea application, you want to show depth. First of all, because employers want to see depth, that you understand how to work on a problem. First of all, deploy end to end. That means using API, having a user interface, working out with the cloud, using advanced models or frameworks, and also adding interactivity where users can interact with the model or other models can interact with your model. And you're able to expand scope over time. This is very important, being able to expand your scope. Alternative ideas other than research papers and personal ideas is Kaggle competitions. You want to also aim for top ranking competitions. Also, the other thing is use foundational models to solve personal tasks. You could be maybe building an agent for yourself. Implement some famous algorithm from scratch. This is also very important without using advanced models. Also by using advanced models, doesn't matter, but if the fact is that you're building those algorithms from scratch. Also, reinforcement learning for games. This is another avenue that you can try, or custom large language models. Sentiment analysis is always a topic of interest. A lot of people want to see that. Or recommendation engines. Recommendations engines have so many applications in different domains, and you can never go wrong with that. Final steps: document your process clearly. Make sure you document your code. Also build a portfolio, for instance on GitHub, something that you can share easily with employers. You also want to craft a story-driven resume, something that employers, maybe when they look at your resume, they can connect to, they understand where you're coming from. And also always keep learning and put yourself in difficulties, because this is the difficulty that once you overcome, it differentiates you from other candidates. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. I'll be back with another video soon. Stay tuned and let me know what you think about this video. Did you like it or you didn't like it? Anything that I can do to improve it? Take care, and I'll see you later.